everyone, it's Kitty and welcome to my kitty art channel. Today I'm gonna draw a cute baby and baby stroller. Let's draw together. Here I'm using a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Now let's coloring. Here I'm using light brown pencil for baby's skin. Pink. Green. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Blue. Green. Red. Yellow. Pink. Orange. Blue. Green. Thanks for watching. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.